here again in the farm after I practice motorcycle. So look at the chickens, guys. This is the humble place of my brother because they just got back from Cebu from their quarantine. So they are renting in Cebu. They have actually nice life in Cebu. Not that, but for now, life is, you know, sometimes problem. So but they're happy here. They have electricity, so they're fine here. And we used to live in the farm actually, so just okay for them. And my working also will stay here every night and daytime also. So this is it. Gonna check my chickens. I feel happy that I still remember how to drive. So there's another delivery of the Firewoods. I think the guy who delivered this one says it's 35 bundles, but I'm not sure if it's 35 already. Unyara pagsabot, unyara ako rin sabot. So here is the breeding area. Guys, they are there, the chickens. We're gonna feed. Look at that. That's a chicken, guys.
Ako man.
So some of these guys are still in the surroundings. Hi.
Dagan kayo daw. Busog ka. Upat lima. Lima. Na diha ang uban.
So some of these guys are still in the surroundings just like that. Some at the fence. I think they are still full, so
Ba't yan ba nakitom?
okay? Malagay, nagpadala bad news.
Ganin na og
Oy ka, cute puppy. Hindi na ma. Hindi na ma. Napunita niya ito. Where is my, ito, puppy ma? Bulldog.
Daw kaya mo rin ako.
So, they have puppies guys here.
Sige ka to.
Manang dako siya. So look at guys, this is the backyard farming here. Lots of chicken. We still have to add lots of this, and we have lots of chicks also downstairs. And I also have like 12 eggs.
Here is my little puppy Doogie.
Hi, Doogie.
Wala like me, sleepy head. This is mine. No?
So guys, my brother will start channel soon. So I hope you support also. This is the third siblings I will be helping for their channel soon. Their title is Boholanong Madiskarte. Your channel name is Bolanong Madiskarte. So guys, some of the chicken, look at that, they are scattered because some of it I guess is still full. So I always do an update here like every week, once a week. And look at that. The humble life of that guy is Boholanong Madiskarte. He will be starting a channel, Boholanong Madiskarte. So guys, there is delivery of the firewoods now. Welcome back to our humble house. So the delivery guy of my fireworks order. So there's here. Hi. Hi, Mali. Dong, pila ka kilometer inyong biyahe? Duha tulo. Sagay mo dong? Dili. 3 kilometers? So guys, they deliver these fireworks 3 kilometers away from here. So in the Philippines, if you know how to survive life, you can really survive. So that's their motorcycle, guys, the very strong motorcycle. Imagine guys, they deliver this one. They are not, you know, passing the simple road. They are passing mountains, rocky road.
River, you pass the river.
But I will interview guys because I don't believe this Boholanong Madiskarte. So dong ni kwan mo river? Tinod na. But nag-vlog man ko dong ay. Nag-chan kwan ko ba vlog. Guys, they told me that they pass a river. Yung sa man wala gina ba
Mountain.
nabasa, wala gina nabasa river man ka. I asked them guys, now why is it their wells are already dry, but this guy told me, of course it's already dry because they travel for 3 kilometers and very hot. Look at that. I can tell this. Dong, kining motor, pila na katuig dong. This motorcycle, how many years? Ha? 5 years? Grabe no? Daghan na kwarta dong motora ba no? Imagine that motorcycle guys, almost 6 years. Crossing the mountains, river, not easy mountain guys, rocky road. And small way, small, you know, pathway. Ha? But guys, my brother interviewed guys. My brother told me that look at that mountain. They are crossing like that kind of mountain guys. This motorcycle. Dong, tinood na dong? Is it true? Tinood na? Di lagi mo unsay mo lagi cool ra kay lang motorcycle oh. Their motorcycle is so cool. 4-stroke? 6. Imagine that mountain guys. As high as that. Okay, dili man straight no, magagig kilid no. Maybe one day I will visit the house of this Firewoods supplier. So life is not easy guys. Imo nang classmate Eugene? This guy is Eugene's classmate. Look at the other motorcycle guys, and imagine this guy bringing like 4 bundles of firewoods with this little boy in front. You know, this little boy sitting in front of this guys. So it's not easy. Pero guwapo man lagi niya mong motor dong, mura lagi mong motor mura lagi ko na unsa. Yeah, I asked them guys that why is it their motorcycle is still, good looking motorcycle. Don't look like haggard. Diba? Kato? Ay, gusto iya god. Kato, kisa man to? Kabuang na to kuha kay ila ko atong William. Shout out diha William.
Kapila na bang imalong? Natod. Wala na. Karon nakatod unom na karon. Ikaw aga puskin ka lang. Ako atong susuminta. Ako to.
Pila din na kabandol.
Ay ka dito.
Pila din na kalibo.
Mo pila mo tong dong. Ano ko ah. Sunide. Sunide. Mo ha papa. 20 pa nga.
40. So di deliver maximum of 40 bundles guys, but pila pa man na deliver diha?
Kuha may lang ang kuha yan 11 plus karon ano makuha niya duha 8 upat na ba upat na ganin na ba karon
Life is not easy guys, no? That's this the guys.
ay tetong lapon karon na iugan to ba desite o plus 1 maybe ingatan upat man ingatan.
There's a road runner guys. This guys is the mountain runner. Very hard working boys. So na pa po'y kuwang bilang na ng deliveron?
Upat na lang last daw.
Ay upat. 20 ha og 19 ha. May upat ha, Bridget. Ikaw di makabayad.
Upat na lang yaha ba?
Si Kevin, upat na lang.
Upat na lang.
Ito, singa na to.
Si David Arsuelit.
Ha?
Size na lang yaha.
Singa niya.
Ba? Pangalaw?
Just call me G-Port. Oh, di ba? Just call me G-Port. So they will go and they will deliver again, guys. Pila lang ka minuto dong, dagan. Ha? 10 minutos? Huwag mo pang gabay 3 kilometers sa Firewoods. Guys, look at the motorcycle. Larga! Larga! They will be back in 20 minutes. Oh, birahe! My God. Hello guys. So my video about going to the pig area because it was being interrupted because the Firewoods delivery is here, the boys is here. So I do a little bit interview. I really feel amazing. They are amazing boys. So yesterday guys, 2 pigs are again sold out for another 3,800 each. 3,800 pesos each. It was sold out yesterday. So the remaining here is my pig for me and Ira's birthday this coming December. I think they choose the smaller one that is left out. So I'm gonna buy another piglets maybe so that she will have companion here. Yesterday 2 are sold out for 3,800. It's like 3,800 pesos each. It's a good deal. So I feel really amazing with those boys. if they are still my supplier of the firewoods until December, I'm gonna give them bonus, guys. This coming December, I do promise that I'm gonna give them bonus. I give to people that I don't know how much more if I will give those people, huh? That work hard. The ducklings, guys. This one. Also ducklings. Oh, diha lagi na kang guaba lagi dyan. Dagko na. That's of guabas, guys. Oh, guabas. Ducks also are there. They're mother ducks. Look at that. Guabas there. Hinog na ni Jen? Papa ka ganahan man, papa ganahan. Organic.
Nagping-ping, lagay ko.
Ming. And there's pomelo there, guys. Pomelo. Hay man ta. Mura lagi dila sila pregnant ta. Hi, Daday. Daday is getting some banana. Oh, guavas. These are my sows. They are pregnant, guys. So we lizard their food this time because they are pregnant. And the other one is there. I really can't wait for me and Arthur to retire here. Look at that view, my God. Guys, look at the manok na itom.
Hey mga fans, I use the
What's that, brother?
panis ako. Saging.
Banana peel.
I sell a banana.
Banana Q.
Banana cue, then the peel of the banana. I also feed the pig.
Yeah, that's a good alternative. Dilab it, brother. That is Buhulanong Madiskarte. Soon will be in the vlog. So that sow is mine, and this one also is mine. And I don't want to put them in a cage. Just want them to be free. So you did you find any ripe banana? Oh, guava? May I see? Did I? Wow, hi Daday. Simple lifestyle.
Hello.
Guys. Shout out to my brother Journey of Tyrus and Christian, Sandy and Jeff, Jen Loving and Living in the Philippines, Api Manang, Michelle Haren, Pinay in UK, Ima Tyler, Pinay Sisters Channel, Merle Engelman, and there is, I forgot, Maricel Homestead Kitchen, Crazy Monina, ha? Hay bayad. Nice. Look at the guava, guys.
Swap.
This one.
Oh, dako.
Oh,
Lapinig.
hi boy.
Dusting.
Hi boy. Ako i-vlog.
Try.
Hi ba?
Sting.
God, guys,
Kita.
look at the sting. Patay, maburot man ako na maigo ng lapinig. Look at the sting, guys. Look at that sting. Dangerous. Ano di man ninyo kuhaon, tangtangon? Mugali, sunugon. Hi guys, with all that view. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. Thank you guys for your support. Shout out also to Simply Jima. Thank you sis for the membership. And for all my members, GPC Camera. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe. If you feel like sharing my video, thank you. And here's our humble farm. Soon it will grow, guys. We will add lots of chickens soon, and also there's lots of chicks downstairs. Papa will let the chicks grow a little bit downstairs before we will bring it here, but the eggs is come from here. So love you all guys. Best regards from me and Arthur and my family.